it's a grinding sound. Yeah. So what you're gonna do is, it's all about the belt. So you have to loosen the belt. Loosen the belt a little bit, not much. So open this one. Hit your belly. I have my cameraman here. This, the bolts, and the front wheel. That's this one here. Now you can lose how we go this. You're gonna turn this one a little bit backward to loosen the belt. So that's the other one, the other side. Sounds better, right?
Sounds way better.
I have to loosen that one a little bit more. There we go. And take this one back. See. That's better, right?
Yes.
Okay. That's it.
Yeah. Okay. You wanna say bye bye now?
Right now.